Did you know that Snickers holds the crown as the best-selling candy bar in the world, with over 400 million sold every year? But what makes it so special? How did it rise to fame? Hi everyone, and welcome to Industrial Craft. Today we're diving into the sweet, nutty, and iconic world of Snickers, the best-selling candy bar in the world. From selecting the finest ingredients to the intricate processes behind its irresistible layers, we'll take you on a journey that unwraps the magic of this beloved treat. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at the incredible stories and processes that bring your favorite products to life. By the end of the video, we'll share a surprising fact about Snickers that will leave you in awe. So let's get started and discover what makes Snickers an undeniable classic. Snickers, a chewy, gooey, chocolatey delight, has become a beloved global icon, but its roots trace back to a man with a vision, a dream, and a horse. In 1930, Frank C. Mars, a candy visionary, set out to create a treat that would stand out in the crowded candy market. Operating from his Chicago factory, Mars focused on one key principle: quality. With a deep commitment to that, Mars insisted on using only the finest ingredients, including fresh dairy milk, rich chocolate, and the highest quality eggs. His commitment to using real, premium ingredients was a defining characteristic that laid the foundation for Snickers' success and solidified its place as a symbol of indulgence. The name Snickers itself carries an interesting backstory. It wasn't chosen randomly. Instead, it was a tribute to the Mars family's favorite horse, aptly named Snickers. The name, which started as an inside family joke, went on to become one of the most recognizable candy bar brands in the world. However, in the UK and Ireland, Snickers was originally marketed as the Marathon Bar.
M-A-R-A-T-H-O-N Peanuts and caramel. Marathon. Peanuts and nougat. Marathon. Peanuts and chocolate. Comes up peanuts. Slice up the slice. Marathon. Roasted peanuts.
Extra peanut taste.
Comes up peanuts. Slice off the slice.
This was done to better suit local preferences, and it wasn't until 1990 that the brand unified its global identity, adopting the Snickers name across all markets. When Snickers first hit the market, it was priced significantly higher than its competitors. While other candy bars sold for around 5 cents, Snickers was introduced at 20 cents, a bold decision that initially raised eyebrows. This premium price point wasn't a mistake. It was a deliberate move that positioned Snickers as a high-quality, indulgent treat. This gamble paid off, and Snickers quickly became a household name, symbolizing both decadence and satisfaction. As time went on, Snickers expanded far beyond its original form. The brand diversified with spin-offs like Snickers Minis, dark chocolate versions, and even ice cream bars to cater to the growing demand for variety. Snickers even ventured into the health-conscious market with protein-packed Snickers bars, showing the brand's ability to evolve with changing consumer tastes. The early 2000s saw Snickers take on a quirky, fun identity, with deep-fried Snickers bars becoming a state fair favorite in the United States. This unexpected twist on the classic candy added a playful element to the Snickers legacy, further cementing its cultural significance. Snickers' success wasn't just due to the candy itself. It was also propelled by brilliant marketing. Perhaps the most iconic campaign of all is the unforgettable tagline, "You're not you when you're hungry." This clever, humorous approach resonated with audiences worldwide, tapping into a universal feeling and creating a bond between the product and the consumer. In 1984, Snickers reached an even higher level of recognition when it was named the official snack of the Olympic Games.
Pretty good hunger, and usually around 10 o'clock, I'll grab some. I'll grab a Snickers because it will fill the void getting to lunch.
packed with fresh peanuts, peanut butter nougat, caramel, and milk chocolate.
Satisfies you.
Packed with peanuts, Snickers really satisfies.
I'm good now. I'm not hungry anymore.
Official snack food of the 1984 Olympic Games.
Mars secured this title with a hefty $5 million sponsorship, effectively solidifying Snickers as a global symbol of snacking. Even with its massive success, Snickers had to adapt over time. In 2004, the UK introduced the Manifesto for Food and Health, which aimed to reduce the size of many candy bars in response to health concerns. As a result, Snickers bars were downsized from 62.5 grams to 48 grams by 2013. Despite these changes, the brand's commitment to using top-tier ingredients and maintaining the quality that consumers love has kept Snickers a timeless treat across generations. The process of creating a Snickers bar is a fascinating blend of art, science, and precision engineering, ensuring that every bite offers the perfect harmony of nougat, caramel, peanuts, and chocolate. The journey begins with the creation of Snickers' signature nougat, the chewy base that forms the heart of the candy bar. The nougat is made by blending corn syrup, sugar, egg whites, and a pinch of salt, which are whipped together into a fluffy, airy mixture known as frappe. To elevate the flavor profile, freshly ground peanut butter is added, imbuing the nougat with a subtle nuttiness. The mixture is then cooked to exactly 165 degrees Fahrenheit before being transferred to a cooling station. Here, ice-cold rollers flatten the nougat to the perfect texture before it's moved to a stainless steel conveyor belt. Ready for the next layer. The caramel layer is where Snickers begins to show its true indulgence. In a separate station, fresh roasted peanuts are combined with warm, buttery caramel to create a rich, gooey mixture. The quality of the ingredients is unmatched, with Mars, the makers of Snickers, using around 99 tons of peanuts every day to ensure a consistent, robust crunch in every bar. The caramel peanut mixture is carefully poured over the nougat slab in a smooth, golden cascade. To ensure the caramel sets to just the right consistency, the slab is sent through a refrigeration tunnel. This process not only cools the caramel, but also ensures the layers bond seamlessly, creating the distinctive Snickers texture. The placement of the peanuts on the caramel layer is a step that demonstrates the meticulous precision involved in the production process. These aren't just randomly scattered. Each peanut is strategically positioned to guarantee an even crunch in every bite. On average, a regular Snickers bar contains 22 to 25 peanuts, giving it that satisfying texture that fans love. Once the nougat, caramel, and peanut layers are perfectly assembled, the slab is sliced into individual bars or fun-sized pieces, depending on product requirements. Next comes the most iconic part of the Snickers manufacturing process: chocolate enrobing. Each bar is coated in a rich layer of milk chocolate as it travels under a cascading chocolate waterfall. This step ensures complete coverage, with the bars evenly coated on the top, bottom, and sides. To give Snickers its unmistakable identity, a decorative chocolate squiggle is added to the top of every bar. This design, a hallmark of Mars products, not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also serves as a subtle branding element that makes Snickers instantly recognizable on shelves. After being coated in chocolate, the bars are cooled to set the coating before moving to the packaging phase. This is where the scale of Snickers production becomes truly astounding. State-of-the-art machinery wraps the bars at an incredible speed of 900 per minute, ensuring efficiency without compromising quality. Each wrapper is designed to protect the bar while preserving its freshness. and the branding is carefully printed to maintain consistency and appeal across global markets. The scale and precision of Snickers production are remarkable, with the main plant in Chicago producing millions of bars daily to meet global demand. The chocolate used in Snickers bars is sourced and processed to exacting standards, contributing to the bar's rich taste and smooth texture. Did you know that Snickers chocolate squiggle isn't just decorative? It's a functional addition that allows the company to quickly identify their products. Another interesting fun fact is that Snickers bars were declared the official snack of the 1984 Olympics, a title Mars secured with a $5 million sponsorship. This savvy marketing move further cemented Snickers' reputation as a beloved international treat. The candy bar's success can be attributed not only to its irresistible taste, but also to its adaptability in different contexts, from sports to culinary creations. One of the most notable applications of Snickers is in the world of sports. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts often turn to Snickers as an energy booster, thanks to its combination of peanuts, caramel, and nougat. This mixture provides a quick burst of energy, making it a popular choice for those needing a satisfying snack before or after a workout. The balance of protein, carbs, and fats helps keep athletes fueled during long training sessions or competitive events, cementing Snickers as a reliable and energizing snack for active individuals. For those looking to enjoy Snickers in a new and exciting way, the frozen Snickers trend has taken off. Freezing Snickers bars creates a whole new texture, firmer and crunchier, with the creamy nougat and gooey caramel offering a delightful contrast to the cool chocolate coating. This refreshing twist has made frozen Snickers a popular summer treat, with many fans freezing the bars at home or even using them to create homemade Snickers ice cream. It's a simple yet fun way to elevate the Snickers experience. Beyond enjoying Snickers in its classic form, the candy bar has become a star ingredient in a variety of creative concepts. From cakes and cookies to milkshakes and gourmet desserts, Snickers' signature flavor profile is perfect for enhancing various treats. Snickers cakes, for example, combine the candy bar's rich flavors with cake layers, caramel icing, and chocolate ganache, making them a favorite at birthday parties and special occasions. Snickers milkshakes, made by blending the candy with vanilla ice cream and milk, have also gained popularity as a decadent drink. This culinary flexibility allows Snickers to be incorporated into desserts and snacks in many delicious ways. Another reason Snickers has remained so successful globally is its ability to adapt to local tastes. Mars has introduced variations of Snickers in different countries, catering to regional preferences. In some markets, Snickers has been released with almond or hazelnut instead of peanuts, giving the candy a unique twist. Limited edition flavors and packaging changes are also introduced to align with local holidays or cultural trends, ensuring Snickers remains relevant and appealing to consumers around the world. These adaptations help maintain its status as a beloved snack in diverse markets. At the heart of Snickers' enduring popularity is its role as a reliable and satisfying snack for hunger relief. The hearty combination of peanuts, nougat, caramel, and chocolate makes Snickers an ideal choice for when you need a quick, filling snack to curb your hunger. Its substantial texture and satisfying flavor have earned Snickers the reputation of being the ultimate hunger-busting treat. From its humble beginnings as a tribute to a family horse to becoming the world's most popular candy bar, Snickers has satisfied millions with its perfect balance of crunch and sweetness. This iconic treat, crafted by Frank Mars in 1930, has stood the test of time, evolving to meet the changing tastes of consumers while maintaining its essential charm. With so many ways to enjoy it, one thing's for sure: Snickers isn't going out of style anytime soon. It has proven to be more than just a candy bar. It's a cultural phenomenon that resonates with people everywhere in its timeless appeal that will always ensure it remains a favorite for generations to come. Are you a Snickers fan? Let us know in the comments what your favorite way to eat it is. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sweet stories about the world's favorite treats. Whether you're a classic Snickers lover or have a unique twist on how you enjoy it, we'd love to hear from you.